Recently, our friends invited us to game night on Zoom. Stick around and I'll show you how I set up a backdrop, a tablescape, and how I customized our Monopoly game. Let's decorate. This video is a collaboration with Marsha Sweet Cakes. Be sure to check out her channel to see how she makes an amazing casino cake to go along with our game night theme. The link for her channel is in the description box below. It's been a while since we got out those old board games, so we decided to make a night of it. This theme can be used for many special occasions, like retirement parties, rehearsal dinners, or just a casual, fun night at home with family and friends. I started with a basic backdrop stand where I draped 2 gold sequin tablecloths over it and gathered them together to look like a curtain. This is something you might see on an old TV game show. I grabbed a couple of my husband's trophies from work and put them on a shelf in the background. Hey, it works! I printed out these oversized playing cards onto some Dollar Tree poster board. They are attached to the curtain using regular push pins from my sewing kit. I was able to get all 6 cards cut from one piece of white poster board, and I really like the way they turned out. 6 giant cards for $1? Now that's a great deal. No pun intended. The game night tiles are enlarged and cut out made to look like Scrabble pieces. I used tan color cardstock for those, and I glued them to some leftover white poster board so that the tan color would stand out better against the gold curtain. In my Wheel of Fortune decoration, I used different color poster board with numbers and letter stickers from Dollar Tree. Everything is attached to a piece of cardboard and taped to a hula hoop with twinkle lights. My wheel doesn't spin, but it does light up. The giant-sized dice prop is made from 3 pieces of foam board and some black poster board for the dots. And I used clear packing tape on all 6 sides. Super easy and fun to make. Even kids can do it. And finally, I used the board games as part of the display. Now that our backdrop is complete, let me show you how I set the table. I started with a freshly pressed red-hot tablecloth. Red is a stimulating color, good for the game-playing environment. Next, I've added gold chargers to tie into the backdrop. At a venue for an event, you could set the whole table for 8 people to serve dinner. But today, I'm only setting half the table for the 4 people in my family. I've got other plans for the other half of the table, and I'll show you that in a minute. I use these for so many different themes. The plain white dinner plates from Dollar Tree. Red cocktail napkins are like diamonds from a deck of cards. Black bowls are like dots on dice or dominoes. Everything is intentional and subliminal. These gold and white marble coasters will keep water stains off my tablecloth. And they pair just perfectly with our setting. Next, we'll add our low-ball drinking glasses with gold straws. Something's missing. I know. Decorative ice cubes. I found these $1 million chocolate bars at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. Now, I don't gamble for cash, but I will play for chocolate. And if you don't find the $1 million bars, you can always settle for $100 grand. I made a simple centerpiece cutout using the print then cut method on my Cricut machine. You recognize this guy. It's Mr. Monopoly. The Cricut precisely cuts out any design of your choice. You could cut out all of the game tokens if you wanted to. That would be cute. I wanted Mr. Monopoly to be double-sided on a stick. So in the Cricut design space, on the top toolbar, you just click on Flip. Once you do that, you'll have a mirrored image of your design. On the other half of the table, I used a piece of green felt material to mimic the look of a poker or a blackjack table. This is just for kicks because I don't know how to play either one. You know, kind of like this look. So the green half of the table is an excellent place to put out some game time snacks, or if you were doing this as a more formal event, this would be a good place to put your cake. Ooh, I almost forgot to show you these gold coins I have scattered in the center. They're made of chocolate too, perfect for this theme. This is a fun option too. I use the same Scrabble tiles to spell out each person's name as a place card setting. It's almost time to join our friends on Zoom. My husband is actually having a little pre-game warm-up with some video games. He likes to play those racing car games. Just look how he's intensely focused. Even my mom plays video games on her tablet. Let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite games? Do you like to play video games, group games, or board games? My favorite games are group games, and my friends showed us some ways that we can still safely play together over Zoom. Check out this free app called Kahoot.com. It allows you to enter your answers to trivia questions and interact with your friends online during a Zoom party. How cool is that? After hanging out with our friends on Zoom, we decided to get to the table, put down our devices, and have some good old-fashioned board game fun. My favorite game is actually AC-Doocy. My husband thinks he's the champion, but really, I'm the real champion. I hope this video inspired you to be creative, enjoy your family time, and get back to the simpler things in life. We don't have to spend a whole lot of money on recreation. And even if you are home by yourself, you don't have to be isolated. You can still get together with family and friends over the Zoom. If you like this video, don't forget to scroll down and give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Come back again and see me next week. I post new videos every week on creative ideas for event planning, lifestyle, and interior decorating. Before you go, I want to show you how I customize my Monopoly game. Some really good friends of ours gave us this version of Monopoly as an anniversary gift some years ago. The game comes with 4 sheets of sticker paper. Each of the sheets has about 30 squares of stickers on there that you can print out your family pictures, photos from all kinds of events, and you can use those photos to put on your tokens as you travel around the board, or you can use them on your community chest cards, your chance cards. You can even print out your own personalized street names to use on the board game. Now, if you don't want to print out any of the pictures, you can still play the game just by itself, the way that it comes. But why would you do that when you can personalize it? This makes such a great gift. Thanks, guys. I printed out pictures for everybody in my family, and I even have additional stickers left over for other friends and family who want to join us later. I don't know about you, but we got to start Monopoly early in the morning because it takes all day to play this game. Again, friends, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to visit Marsha Sweet Cake's YouTube channel. She's going to show you how she made this amazing casino cake to go with this theme. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.